Good evening, everybody. It's been a while since we've done a What's Cooking in the Active Mum Kitchen, but tonight I thought I would share it with you. It's really quite yummy, really quite simple. It's the shepherd's pie, but it's packed full of veggies and really nutritious and yummy, simple to do. What I've done is I've got a pretty busy week next week, so I've made 2 shepherd's pies. One can be frozen so you can pull it out and use it at a later time in the week, and then the other we'll devour tonight. So really simple. What I've done is I have literally chopped an onion, about 4 cloves of garlic, sauteed those with a little bit of coconut oil. Then we've added mince. Veggies that I've popped in, you can put in any vegetables you like, but what I've used tonight, corn. I just got some corn off the cob, chopped it off. Zucchini, carrot. What else have we got in there? And peas, frozen peas, I popped those in. So sauteed that all together. Then for flavour, we've added tomato paste, a little bit of tomato sauce, some brown sugar for sweetness, a Worcestershire sauce, lots of salt and pepper, and 1 beef stock cube. Lots of water. So we let that simmer and develop its flavour. Then what I've done is add some corn flour to thicken. For the on top, I have done a combination of sweet potato and potato mash. You can just do potato if you like. So literally I have steamed the potatoes, mashed them up with some butter and milk, and then that's going to go on top of our pies here. So there is my mash ready to go on. My pies here, I'm going to pop that on top, coat it with a little bit of milk, salt and pepper so it goes brown in the oven, pop it in the oven, and voila, you have a very nutritious, yummy dinner that the kids will love, and you can pop one in the freezer for later. So it's really, really good, easy dinner. Enjoy it. I'm sorry that we haven't done many Active Mum kitchens for a while, but I thought I'd quickly do one for you tonight. Have a great night, take care, and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.